Forget boring single destination QR codes. Unlock a world of possibilities by directing scans to multiple links with this simple guide. First things first, we need a special kind of QR code generator, one that can handle multiple links. Search online for multi-euro QR code generator or dynamic QR code generator with multiple destinations. Several great free and paid options exist. Once you've found a generator, you'll see fields to add your different links. Think of each link as a separate destination. Maybe you want one link to go to your website, another to a specific product page, a third to your social media, or even a fourth to a special offer. You can usually add text labels or button descriptions for each link so the scanner knows what to expect. Many advanced generators allow you to set conditions. This means you can decide when or how a scanner gets sent to a particular link. For example, you could set it so the first scan goes to your homepage, but subsequent scans go directly to a new promotion, or you could even schedule links to become active on specific dates. Now for the fun part, customization. Most generators let you change the colors of your QR code to match your branding, and you can often add your logo right in the center. This makes your QR code not only functional, but also a powerful branding tool. Once designed and customized, hit generate. You'll get a dynamic QR code. The beauty of a dynamic QR code is that you can actually change the links behind it later without needing to create a new QR code image. This is a game changer for marketing campaigns. Now, when someone scans your QR code, they'll be presented with a clean interface showing all the links you've included, allowing them to choose their destination. This is perfect for providing access to a brochure, a sign-up form, and a video testimonial, all from a single scan. So there you have it. Why Euro, a single QR code that opens up a world of interconnected destinations. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more smart tech tips.